434 with the man you were before that bar door. No one loves you enough to give you a ride in your car, sitting right outside old Jamie. Keep your tires between the ditches and your eyes peeled on the road. There's 2 more minutes before you're back home. Don't 103 feel so free? You always loved the revelry, oh Jamie.
The flashing red and blue in a cracked rear view. He remembers a smile he once owned, but he ain't gonna stop for any cop from here to damn near Wichita County.
Well, I'll go tonight, boys. I don't mean no harm. I just miss my loving lady laying in her arms.
I'll go tonight, boys. I don't mean no harm. I just miss my loving lady and laying in her arms. There's a tombstone hidden in a place he don't visit, where the love of his life was laid to rest. He'll make it there by dusk, that is where they'll draw their guns, oh Jamie. 'Cause this life ain't worth living if the love that you've been given is taken before you are. Now Jamie's dancing and spinning around his baby in the stars. I'll go tonight, boys. I don't mean no harm. I just miss my loving lady laying in her arms.
I'll go tonight,
boys. I don't mean no harm. I just miss my loving lady laying in her arms.
when it's late and it's cold on that old hidden road. You can hear laughter all in the trees. Don't 103 feel so free? You don't miss the revelry, do you, Jamie?